Hi, I'm Suzy Hollander, a dietitian who loves to cook.
And I'm Dr. Sherril Rieux, internal medicine physician whose passion is to help you to eat healthier. So today we're going to be cooking oven fried okra. We're going to give you a healthy spin on this typically deep fried southern version.
We'll be baking this okra and then spicing it up with a little cayenne pepper.
This baked version of a fried classic makes a crispy, delicious okra without all the added fat.
Okra is in season in the summer, but you can find it in your freezer section at the grocery store.
Just sounds good. Let's get cooking.